She's looking pretty good around here. We got both the Dodges up here. This here's, it's been a couple days now, but I finally got what I mentioned in the other video done. Had to do with the exhaust system on my truck. It rained here recently, so it's a little muddy, as you can tell. Got the front grille done in it. I showed that, and the headlights, I showed that too, but I got that problem back now, so I'll have to email that company again, get that figured out. But yeah, so let's get into what I did. So as you can tell, there's a pipe on the driver's side and on the passenger side. What did I do, you ask? Well, my baby got true duels. It got a true duel system on it, and I'll show you what it is here. It's a, well, I'll go ahead and tell you, but anyhow, it's a Borla Pro XC or XS muffler. True dual. It's all the way to the front, dualed out, and it goes dual into the exhaust or into the muffler, and dual out. It's like dual in and then dual out. And it sounds really good. It made the 4.7 that's in this truck sound, and gave it just a touch more acceleration, it seemed like, compared to what it was. So anyhow, let's fire this beast up, and I'll do a little rev for you, and then we'll do a ending video. So, if you're looking at getting a true dual for your truck, I'm pretty impressed so far with this exhaust system that's on it. It's a Borla Pro XS true dual system. It is a little bit lighter in the cab than what it used to be, but I wanted something that was a little more, sounded a little bit better. And as you can tell, my peacocks up on the hill really don't like it. So yeah, hope it came out okay on the sound wise. It sounds a little different. My camera won't pick it up very well. So anyhow, that's the introduction of it. I'll try to do another video of maybe doing a cold start on it. So anyhow, please comment and subscribe. We'll catch you all on the next one.